Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to install interactive brokers step by step. I'll be showing this on Windows. First, open your web browser and head to ibkr.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see a login button. Click on that. From the menu that drops down, select Download Trader Workstation. This takes you to the download page where you'll see all the different platform options. On the download page, you want to focus on IBKR Desktop. That's the best starting point because it combines the most popular trading tools in a single window that's easier to learn than the older platforms. Click the Download for Windows button. The installer file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. You can also check the bottom of your browser window if your Downloads bar is visible. You're looking for the IBKR desktop installer file. It'll be named something like IBKR Desktop Latest Windows.exe. Double-click on that installer file to run it. You might see a Windows security warning asking if you want to allow the program to make changes. Click Run or Yes to continue. The installation wizard will open up on your screen. Now just follow the prompts in the setup wizard. You'll typically see Next and Finish buttons to move through the installation. When you reach the final screen, the installer will complete and place an IBKR desktop icon right on your desktop. To launch the platform, just double-click that desktop icon. The login screen will appear asking for your IBKR username and password. Before you log in for the first time, there's one critical step you need to handle: setting up IBKey authentication. Without it, you won't be able to log in securely and your withdrawal limits will be restricted. Download the IBKR mobile app on your smartphone, log in with your username and password, then go to Authentication and select Activate IBKey. Set up a PIN or enable biometric authentication and you're done. From that point on, every time you log in to IBKR Desktop, you'll get a notification on your phone to approve the login. One more thing, IBKR Desktop updates automatically whenever you log in, so you'll always have the latest features without needing to manually reinstall. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.